Gold has seen a major swing as we expected, and as I discussed that below 2028 levels, we are going to look forward to a major fall towards 2018, 2020, 2014, 15 levels. Precisely, it has achieved 2014 and has recovered since then. Now, what is going to be our strategy for the day in order to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session, before the PPI data release. Do watch that as well. Thus, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Do like, share, and comment as well, friends. Now we are including your best of the comments in our YouTube thumbnails itself. Do comment as well. And yes, if you have not become a channel member, do join the channel membership and support the effort and enjoy the perks. Let's start first to look into our now, if you look into hourly charts, see first a V-shaped recovery is seen here, and it has come back to same levels from where it has started the day yesterday. Now, 2036 again proving out to be a good resistance, and thus we can buy here at 2036. And if you see gold staying above 2036, we can expect it to rise more. Now, if you look at the movement here, the movement is now completely, it was skewed on the downside. Now it is trying to give a breakout. Thus, later in the day, once you see it is staying above 2036, we can initiate a buy. Now look at the hourly chart. See, it is trying to reverse as well. Moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. 2030, 2028 levels should be a very good support for gold for the day. Watch out again at 2028 32 levels. Now look at stock ISIC. This is overbought, trying to cool down a bit. MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI flat. On the 2-hour, similar observation on the 2-hour charts as well. Movement is slightly skewed on the downside, but the V-shaped recovery here suggests that it is trying to give a breakout on the upside. Be watchful. Later in the day, we may see a rise, but right now it is trying to retrace a little. It might get a support at around 2028-35. And yesterday also we have observed that 25-24 levels were very strong support for gold, and only once it breached below 2024-25 we have seen a major fall. Now if you look at the stock ISIC, this is overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. On the 3-hour, similar observation here. Yes, a resistance there at 2036 trying to retrace a little. If it breaks below 2028, then only we can expect that it is reversing. Now remember one thing, that it is symmetrical formation. Couple of red candles, couple of greener candles. What happened here? What can happen here is the same. Now see, the support here were 2024-25. This can also see, once we see it below 28, again 24-25 should be watched out for. And once it stays below 2020-2018, we can expect another round of drop where lower lows can be seen. If you look at the stock ISIC, this is rising on the 3-hour charts. MACD is divergent and bullish looking upwards. RSI is flat. And on the 4-hour, similar observation here on the 4-hour charts. Only thing is, see, sharp bearish candles, and this bearish candle comes with a longer tail. Now remember, the longer the tail on the downside, the stronger the rise on the upside. That is what is my observation in general for the candlestick charts. Now it has shown a very long tail, but remember, it has also come, the preceding candle was also there with a stronger wick. Now see, one example is here itself where the wick was long, thus the fall was sharp, and here now the tail is long, so the rise is also stronger. Now we have to wait for it to break beyond 2036 in order to confirm further rise. But remember, again 2040-42 on the upside is the first resistance zone. We have to be careful here at 40-42, and then 45-47. Only and only bullishness in gold is about 20-45-47, where we can look forward to again 50-52 first resistance, and then if it breaks beyond 50-52, we can look forward to a stronger rise on the upside. Stochastic rising, MACD. Now see, MACD here, if you notice on the 4-hour charts, a drop here, it has formed a good base and it is divergent. It is still suggestive of bullishness. Despite the drop, we have seen the recovery and it can still continue on the upside. RSI. And before we look into the daily charts here, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. 28 batch commences on 3rd week of January. Register yourself now. You can also ask your queries via Telegram or email, or you can visit the platform forexfunda.com and find the answers to your queries. Platform has much more to offer. The economic calendar, live charts, community, everything is there, and you can also book a call which is completely free if you are part of our webinar series. Every Sunday we conduct a webinar where we discuss the futures of the markets. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can join my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me over Telegram for details. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see this symmetrical formation so far. Now on the daily charts, we have seen it forming symmetry. It has come to the same levels, almost trading within the zone. Now, if you notice what has happened here after the drop, it has retraced a little. It could retrace a little here. Possibility is there. And it suggests that once it stays above 2036, we can again look forward to a little rise. But as I said, 45, 47 and 50, 52 levels should be a greater resistance. Yes, these levels should play out well for gold for the day. Also look at it is forming a good flag formation. Thus, once it stays above 2060, you can consider that as a reversal. And by the end of this month, gold can try to, in fact, again move towards 2100 levels. But right now, it is trading bearish. We have to watch out more closely. Second observation for the day, that see the day has started flat. Candle has already formed a tail here, and there is a possibility that it can try to move and get a support here at 20, 28, 32, and then below that 24, 25. But as long as 20, 18, 20 is respected, we cannot treat gold as bearish. It is only to be treated bearish if it breaks below 2018, 2020, and in fact below that. We have seen yesterday 2014 and 2010 levels as the good support. 2010 we missed yesterday, but yes, 2014 should be the first support, and then 2010 levels will be seen. On the upside, as we discussed, yes, above 50.52 is where the bulls will take over. Thus, for the day, I will recommend you to buy here at 2036.5 and sell at 2028. In between these $8.5, do not take a trade above 2036.5. Again, 2040, 42, very good resistance, 45, 47 the next, then 50, 52. And after that, sky is the limit. On the upside, gold is going to fly towards 60 and 2080 levels soon. On the downside, yes, if same levels 2028, then 24, 25, and then 18, 20, 14, and then 10. Very, very strong support levels nearby. But yes, we cannot avoid these levels. These are intraday positions. You have to trade as per the levels here. Whatever pips you are getting, keep booking profits, keep re-entering, take your trades accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my webinar series. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading.